Join me and my dad while we explore subscription boxes, the outdoors, gear and equipment, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! Thank you for watching.
Thank you for that introduction, Miraculous Girl. Today we're going to take a look at a special edition Victorinox from the Onyx Black Collection. There are three models, to my knowledge, there are three models that are in this collection in the various lines of knives. They have a classic, the 91 millimeter, and in the Ranger grip size. This is 91 millimeter, and let's take a look at it here. Now, this is from the Onyx Black Collection. We have our standard literature about care for a Swiss Army knife, and also included in here is a notation in multiple languages about the process of how they made this knife. It's an electrochemical process that they coat the blades with. Now, this particular model is the Spartan, and it's all black. So you'll notice it comes, and this is really cool, everything on this is black. We start off, we have a black lanyard. We have our black key ring, which everyone knows this is normally a silver color. Now, I'm going to be continually wiping this because of the finish on this. Every time you touch it, you leave your fingerprints on it. I have a lot of Spartans, and for fear of damaging this one, I don't know that I will ever carry this. So it will probably be a collector's piece for me. So we have a pair of black tipped tweezers. And then on the other side, you have your all black toothpick. This might be an oversight. I just realized on their part. I think this is going to be the only part of this tweezers, the fact that they still have their silver or aluminum colored on there. I want to say it's probably the only, even the liner inside there is black. So other than the logo here, that may be a little bit of an oversight on their part. Anyway, so on the backside tools, you have your reamer awl with the sewing eye, and you have your solid 4-turn corkscrew. Both of those are coated in the black, and I'll move that so you can probably see it a little better without the black background. And I'll even go back here. The sewing all, there is some oil. I'm not wiping the oil off. There is some oil on that. Like I said, the toothpick was solid black there. And I suspect you guys probably saw that the tweezers had the silver on it. So anyway, going to our main tool compartment here, you start off, you have your can opener. I just hate seeing my fingerprints on it. So you have your micro screwdriver and can opener, all completely black coated. This is so cool. You have your slotted regular size screwdriver, your bottle opener, and your wire stripper And this does have the 90-degree stop in it. You have your small blade. Again, all coated in black. You see the light reflecting off of it, and it may make it look silver, but it is not. It is definitely coated black. And then the main blade, which is coated as well. It has the normal Tang stamps, the current Tang stamps, I should say. Victorinox Swiss made stainless on this side, and Officer Swiss on the other. I don't know that you guys will be able to see that based off the lighting on that. So there you have it. This is the special Onyx Black collection. This is the Spartan all black electrochemical coated knife. Very cool unique collector's item that they've done something different. It's not just replacing. Now these are the celluloid scales, but they didn't just replace the celluloid scale with a design. They actually did something to the tools themselves to make them unique and different. Like I said, there are two other knives available. It's the Ranger Grips and the Classics that have these coated tools on them. One thing I wanted to add here at the end, this knife is still currently available on the Victorinox site. Also, it's probably available through a few other sites as well. It generally runs around $79.99 plus tax and shipping, depending on who you buy it from. But I just wanted to let you know that this knife is still available. Thank you for joining us here on Exploring It All. Hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We really appreciate you watching the channel. And remember, be nice to each other.